this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe. And we are trying to clean our dogs behind. Just like this video. Just gonna do some soap.
Why you got his leg up for?
I don't know. I guess he want to attack me.
Chill out.
Okay, I quit. Psych.
Buddy's eyes is red.
Why are you making that noise? It's like I quit. Okay, so make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe.